Are you ready to feel the love? Let's get into all of the hair care products I have been loving. Hi everyone, it's Lana here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I want to sit down and talk to you about everything I've been loving in the world of hair care. So all of my hair care products, my shampoos, my conditioners, my leave-ins, my oils, and there's a few other little beauty products mixed in there as well, but I know what we're all here for on this channel. We want to see the hair care. I just really want it to be on theme for Valentine's Day, so why not talk about everything that I have loved. So actually I was going to film a product empties video, so a lot of these items are my empties. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up. It really helps with this crazy algorithm, and if you like what you see, please also subscribe and turn on your notifications. With that said, let's get into the rest of the video. I have two buckets. This is like a skincare and beauty bucket. This one is the hair bucket. So we'll start with this. Two Curl Company products. These are a really affordable, really accessible brand in the UK. This is their sulfate-free conditioner and their sulfate-free shampoo. These are like £5.99, which I know is not the most cheapest product that you will ever find, but as far as Curl products go, they are quite good. I really enjoy using them. I actually took these on holiday with me, and the reason being because they were cheap and I was going to be using them most every day. So I pretty much used these up in the space of about 2 weeks. I wouldn't say that they're absolutely groundbreaking products, but they are good. They are sulfate free. They do have moringa oil. They are nice and hydrating. They don't strip my hair. They don't make my hair feel bad. They just maintain my hair at a really nice level. So I really enjoyed those. I'm leaving everything linked below just in case you want to have a look at anything that I'm mentioning here. This is another one that I used on holiday. This is the Philip Kingsley swim cap, and I think this might be the second one that I've gone through, because this is one of the only water resistant hair treatment masks that I know of. They say that this is the swim cap. It shields hair from chlorinated and salt water, so this is absolutely perfect if you are going on holiday and you're planning to swim a lot. This is the kind of product that you're definitely going to need. I don't know of too many products like this. One of my followers did DM me and let me know about the Curl Smith swim cap, no, the Curl Smith swim shield, something like that, which I think is probably a similar product. And I did have a look at the ingredients here. This one, it has a lot of oils, glycerin, and I actually made another video that was more in depth about how protective this is. But honestly, these days I try not to go into the sea unless I have something like this on my hair, because the sea is just so damaging. I'm definitely feeling the effects, and I wish I'd found this sooner. So I will definitely be repurchasing. So this is the Aveda Be Curly Advanced Curl Enhancer Cream. I've just been obsessed with them. I absolutely love it. I love most things from Aveda. If you would like to try them, then definitely keep updated on my Instagram, because I think I'm going to run a giveaway quite soon that's going to include some Aveda products. I'd really love for you to be able to try them if you haven't tried them already. So this curl enhancing cream I was obviously using as a bit of a curl lotion, curl leave-in conditioner, that sort of product, just to keep my hair moisturized. You can use it to top up your curls, to refresh your curls. I feel like it works really well. My hair feels really hydrated with this on. It does wonders for dry hair. They say that this defines, fights frizz, adds shine. I feel like it does all of that and more. In that same line, there is also the curly hair primer, and I'm pretty sure I threw the bottle away because I always forget when I'm trying to do one of these product empties or the products that I've been loving. I always forget to keep the bottles. I know that I had an Aveda Be Curly Advanced primer that I used until the very last dreg, and I'm going to put a picture of it right here. This is the one I'm talking about. Love this product. They call it a primer. For me personally, I've never really gotten on well with the term primer. I've never really found a way to fit that into my routine in a way that really feels useful or that works. If you know how to do that, please let me know. But for me, I found that this was excellent at refreshing my curls, because this is hydrating, moisturizing, it tames frizz, it reignites your curls. We are moving on to Olaplex. This is their number 5 leave-in. This is new. I feel like they were really listening to the curly girls, because let's be honest, the natural hair girls are the ones really leading in hair care innovation, and all the brands are trying to keep up with the natural hair girlies, and so they're coming out with a leave-in conditioner. I did enjoy using this. My hair did feel smooth afterwards. Ultimately, my hair felt better from using it, so I kept using it, and I got right to the end. Oh! There was a tiny bit left. The good thing is that I can put this on my hair now because you can put it on in between washes. This is the Grow Gorgeous Curl Defining Leave-In Butter. It is quite highly priced, so obviously I've used all of that. Whenever I look for a leave-in conditioner, the key things that I'm looking out for is how soft does my hair feel in the days after my hair wash? How hydrated does it feel? I don't need very much else from my leave-in conditioners. I'm probably going to use other products for styling, definition and that sort of thing. The main thing that I want from the leave-in conditioner is to condition my hair. That's it. Hydration, softness. As soon as I find one that I feel like is doing that for me, I just keep using it. So obviously I really enjoyed this Grow Gorgeous one. Okay, so the next one is also from Grow Gorgeous, and this is a Curl Revival Mist. So I have gotten so into my Revival mists lately. This is not something that I ever really used to use. It was not part of my weekly curly hair routine. I really wasn't doing refreshes throughout the week, but I think lately, since maybe I've been doing more and I've been going to the gym more and I just want to be refreshing my hair more often, I guess, and just, you know, bringing the curls back to life. This one has actually been in my overnight bag lately. This is, yeah, it's a Revival Mist. They say use in between washes as part of your hair care regime. Spray it onto dry hair. I loved this one because I feel like it was one of those ones that moisturizes my hair, revives my curls, but doesn't leave it sticky. Like, I feel like there's so many of this Revival type mist. They leave your hair sticky, and who wants that? Not me. It's just not good, and you end up having to put moisture on it to activate the product properly, and then you're basically having to redefine your hair manually. Whereas something like this actually just seems to do the job. It just gets your curls looking juicy and defined all over again, and you barely have to lift a finger. This is how it's supposed to be. This is the Aveda Botanical Repair line, and this is their strengthening conditioner, plant power damage repair, and their strengthening leave-in treatment. So I know some of you might not have ever seen any of my videos before, so maybe this is completely new, but anyone that's watched any of my videos before knows how much I love this line, and I've obviously been loving it. I think, again, I probably threw the shampoo away just like when I finished the bowl, so I don't have that to show you, but yeah, I just love using it. Just be warned, if you do decide to go out and get this, it does have a really funny smell. It just does. I literally don't know how to describe it. It smells kind of clinical, like it smells like kind of antiseptic. Certified organic ylang ylang, rose, marjoram, and other pure flower and plant essences. It can't be rose. Surely it's not rose. There's another plant in there, like antiseptic, and that's what these smell like. And I always think about it whenever I do my routine with these and I use the wash products and stuff. I'm walking around, I'm like, does it think I smell like antiseptic? So it's quite potent as well. So if that kind of thing bothers you, then you might not get along with these products. But if you really do just like a product that's great for your hair and you don't really mind the smell, or maybe you'll like this smell, I don't know, then these will be great for you. We have some oils. So I'm going to show you, this is the Bouclem Revive 5 hair oil. And I do have a little bit left in there, so it's not a product empty, but it's definitely a product that I have been loving for my hair. So I think I was using this as part of my wash routine, especially when I was on trips, to just really seal in the protection and seal in the moisture, because when you're in extreme climates, like when you're on holiday, you really do just want that extra added protection in your wash routine. But yeah, that's Bouclem, and I'm sure I probably have some more of their products in my favorites, but I just don't have the bottles to show you. Oh my gosh, I'm about to show you one of my all-time favorite hair oils. This is the Carly Min Rescue Oil. This is an active hair and scalp remedy. They say that it naturally repairs and strengthens. It's got macadamia, hibiscus, Egyptian jojoba oils. I swear there is just something magical about this little repair oil. It's kind of expensive. This is £42, and you have to get it on the Carly Min website, because I'm just looking and I don't think it's on Look Fantastic or Beauty Bay or any of those. Use this all the time for my pre-poo treatments, my overnight oiling. Sometimes I'll be oiling for like a whole day, like a 24-hour oiling session, and this is just so nice for it. And it's olive oil, grape oil, jojoba oil, avocado, baobab seeds, sunflower, it has frankincense, it has pine. My hair just really likes it. What more can I say? Okay, and the next oil, As I Am Rosemary Oil. I was definitely drawn into the trend of putting rosemary oil on my scalp. There is a lot of science to support that rosemary oil does support hair growth, and this one in particular has rosemary oil. It is infused with biotin, copper tripeptide, and melatonin. So yeah, this one, as far as hair oils go, this is like a really nice little package. That's that one, and it's pretty much finished now. I do still have this bundle of beauty and skincare. I'm not going to do this right now because I honestly don't know if this would interest anybody and I don't want to bore you in this video. So if you do want to see my beauty and my skincare empties, just drop me a comment down below. If you saw anything at all that you liked or that you might be interested in, I will try my hardest to leave it linked in the description box down below so that it's easier for you to find. As always, it's been a pleasure to sit down and talk with you. It means the world to me that you're still here with me. If you've made it all the way to the end of the video, drop a little heart in the comment section. I did this before in one of my previous videos and I remember I was sitting there at dinner and I was having all these heart comments and I forgot that I said that and I was like, oh my gosh, everyone's leaving heart comments, and then I realized why and I was like, oh my gosh, they're so sweet. They're actually doing it, like they're actually leaving heart comments. They actually watched the video through to the end and it just made me so happy. So if you are here and you're still watching, please do that again because it literally makes my day to see that. And yeah, if you liked the video, please thumbs it up. Please subscribe, turn on your notifications, get me on Instagram, get me on TikTok. It'd be my pleasure to see you over there. And have an amazing Valentine's Day, guys. I hope that you're feeling the love. I am feeling the love for you. I really appreciate you being here. Thank you so much, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
No one can do it like you.